Hi, my name is Santiago Cardona. I want to welcome you to my channel Aventura por América. On today's video, we continue our trip in Brazil. My trip to Brazil was to go and celebrate the Lama Goiânia 10th anniversary party, which was done in Brasilia. At the same time in Brasilia, they were celebrating the Moto Capital that was in 2018. It was an amazing time. It's the biggest motorcycle get-together in South America. The Brazilians know how to celebrate. We went to concerts, we walked through a lot of motorcycles. That same year, they had a caravan of about 500,000 motorcycles. That was the biggest Guinness World Record in South America for a motorcycle caravan. I had the chance to live it. And let me tell you, Brazil, one of the best places to go and visit. Please do come and visit Brazil. Visit the people from Lama Goiânia. Our brothers and sisters are welcome, always with open arms and warm hearts. Now, let's enjoy the video, and I hope you subscribe, ring the bell, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. My name is Santiago Cardona, and now I'll leave you with this good video from Brazil.